Hello, all viewers. Thank you very much to respected and honorable Sahaj sir for giving me this opportunity to be in front of all of you. It is a great pleasure for me to be on this platform. Friends, I think I joined this institute in 2006. It was third batch.
Five.
It was
April
in 2005. Yes, sir. April 2005, and it was second batch in which I completed my course. And after completing my course, actually I was able to speak English, but because there is a benefit of whole life membership, you don't have to pay any further fees for coming here and for improving yourself more if you want to improve your more English. So I continued coming here. What happened, just while coming regularly, I think I got a lot of improvement. During that time, there were many, I should say, diamonds of this institute, which were my batchmates, my seniors. Today, I really miss all of them. Those were the very, very charming and great days of my life. Whenever we sit together, we always discuss about those all guys, because we know that wherever they are doing very great things in their life. Actually, success is not always in the form of job and money. There are lots of things. What type of work you are doing, what you are doing for the development of your society or the welfare of the society. These are also the parameters. That is why the tagline of this institute was not only for English improving, English speaking, but for personality development also. Friends, the time when sir opened this branch in this Farrukhabad city, there was no any other institute. And what to talk about institute, nobody could ever think about this, that in this Farrukhabad it was possible to speak English by any Hindi medium student. Actually, I was not even coming to talk to sir, but in my home, my uncle got a pamphlet of advertisement in any newspaper, which was being floated by the sir for the advertisement. So after reading that, my uncle insisted me on coming here. When I came, the class was on, and one of the senior students, Mr. Rahul sir, was there in the office. He told me about all the fees pattern and the registration process. And the noise which was coming from the class, I was not able to even analyze that what was going on in the classroom. How it is possible, like the kids who study in first and second class, when classes are on, they just shout. Such type of noise was coming from the class. So it was totally a different thing, a different world for me. I just peeped from the door that what was going on inside, but I could not understand. But one thing stuck in my mind, that definitely there is something good. After the class, when sir came in the office, I talked to him, and I was in the different world. When I met him, because I had never met such type of personality, such type of dynamic personality in my life. I got many teachers, but so much positive and so much caring and so much honest person in this life, I could easily say that here he is sitting beside me, no doubt. So after seeing his all honest efforts and all the things which were going on in the institute, I decided to join it. And friends, after joining here, I got many good friends also. Today they are doing very, very nice things. And I got the opportunity by the grace of Sai sir. He gave me a different type of blessings. I got some special trainings from, so that I was able to run a branch of this institute in Farrukhabad city. And there also many students, I can say that they have achieved milestones in their life. Today I saw a post on Facebook. A student of mine, Farrukhabad branch, Mr. Rituraj, he has posted a photo with Rajat sir, who comes on in India TV, and now he is working with India TV. So they all just, whenever in whichever mode we discuss, like on social media or in WhatsApp. Whenever we discuss about the GB, we always remind of those old days, golden memories we recall, and we enjoy together, and we discuss with all the things whatever was happening during those days. And actually, what to say about the process of the teaching method and the talent of sir, because he is from engineering background, and you cannot expect anything special any engineer can do in teaching, but what he has done is definitely impeccable, because the teaching method is totally different. You can say it is psychology also, and there is on spot spontaneous performance which he gives on the stage that can make you hilarious. Students enjoy so much in the class, they never get bored. Even the toughest things, toughest fundas, because in English, there are lots of tensions due to tense, sentence, all the things, whatever the part of grammar is. But here, when any student enters in the class during first day, since first day, he is told about that we have to follow all the rules of grammar and everything. But because without following the grammar and without following the rules, everybody knows that we cannot speak correct English. But the process and the method which has been taught in our classes, like in academic classes, in the books, that is so much difficult that it is not easy for anyone to understand and to adopt it. So the method which he adopts on the stage for teaching, that is really different, and it is very easy for even a kid to understand. And that is why here many kids have come and they have improved a lot. If I go through my old days, I don't have any hesitation today to tell you that I have been throughout Hindi medium, and I passed my high school from Government Inter College Fatehgarh, 12th also from the same college. And what to talk about percentage, in high school I achieved 52%, in intermediate that was 46% only. But that doesn't matter, because if you have sincerity, the thing which I thought that it was my positive point, it was my greatest strength, that was sincerity. And sincerity consists of many things. When we talk about sincerity, discipline already includes in it, punctuality there is. So actually, if you are sincere for anything, I think that is not any tough task, because speaking English is so much easy after coming and after joining this institute.